Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to delight you with a cold start of a 1993 Toyota Camry, a one-owner vehicle that I just picked up with 320,000 original miles. It is 10 degrees outside on December 17th, 2022 in the great state of Utah. Let's see if this baby fires up. Oh, yes. No doubt. Yeah, I just got this car for $1,000. I have every single maintenance record since new, including the original paperwork that was done at Rocky Mountain Toyota in Idaho. The original purchase agreement, a whole stack of records. I bought it mostly because of that and the fact that it just had like $3,000 of work done. So for you poor souls searching for 1993 Toyota Camry videos on YouTube late into the twilight hours, may you enjoy this video. Cheers. Merry Christmas.